Ever wonder what it takes to be a real-life hero? Meet Maya, our young explorer who embarks on an incredible adventure, discovering the bravery and remarkable tools of the amazing firefighters. As Maya arrives at the fire station, excitement fills the air. She watches in awe as firefighters slide down the hose and drive those gigantic red trucks. The fire station is bustling with activity, showcasing the teamwork and camaraderie that make this profession truly special. But what happens when there's a fire and danger looms? Who are the incredible people who rush in to help? Today, Maya gets an exclusive look at the community helpers dedicated to keeping us safe every single day, the firefighters. Maya learns about their essential gear, unique helmets, and protective clothing. She's fascinated by their training routines, which emphasize physical fitness and teamwork, preparing them for real-life emergencies. In heartwarming scenarios, Maya observes firefighters bravely tackling challenges to protect their communities. Their courage inspires us all to appreciate these everyday heroes. Thank you for joining Maya on this exciting journey. Let us celebrate our amazing firefighters together.